Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a charity shop haul. Haven't done one of those in a while. Anyway, I found a load of really nice stuff and I want to share it with you, so I might try on as we go, but we'll see. This is from Topshop. This was £1.99. It is a brown oversized cardigan with that detail on the back. Haven't tried any of this on yet, it's literally stayed in the bag. Can't even remember what's in there, to be fair. But so I don't know what it's going to be like on, but I thought this would be so nice when you just want to be cozy. Cozy. Yeah, it's alright. I don't know if it's worth me trying it on as I go. There's no pockets, and if there's never pockets, it really irritates me. I do like a pocket. Stick my hands in. The slouch. But yeah. I really like that. Obviously not with this top, but it's comfortable. Let me get a little bit higher. Ta-da! So it's not too long. But yeah, I like that. Comfy. A little bit of detailing at the back. So for £1.99 from Topshop, I thought that was a bargain. You're going in the wash because you have a bit of a smell. You know that smell when it's been sat around for a while? Just sitting in the shop for quite a bit. Getting in the wash. I picked up one of these. I love these. This is from Wallace and it's size small. This was £1.99. It's a peach blouse and I do love a blouse. It's got those on the sleeves. It's got that longness to it so you can tuck it in and you know it's going to look good. So I grabbed you. I picked you up. I'm going to put you on actually. Not with a striped t-shirt, I think that would be a bit of a bad idea. This one I do really like. I apologise if you can see me animal print. Bit of an animal going on the old boobage. This I do really like. I like in the sleeves. I haven't tucked it in yet. Roll it, roll it. I think tucked in will look much better. Definitely. Yeah. Yes, £1.99. Bargain. Yeah, loving that. So that's a good one. I also picked up this, which was from Boohoo. This was 99p and it's a size 10. It's just a grey, long sleeved. I don't know whether it's a dress or a long top. Let me have a little look. Do you know you could have it as either? You could have it as either. Some tights, some boots, and you're good to go. I'm going to try that one on in a sec. Hold on, momento. I've got this here. I'm not sure about this one, but I couldn't leave it behind. A good shopper never leaves a bargain behind. This was size 8. It is size 8 and it's from Boohoo and it was £1.99. It's a bodysuit. It's a long bodysuit with the bits cut out here. Zip at the back. I don't know where I'd wear it, but it's got really tiny little pockets. I will try you on in a minute. I picked up also, forgot about these. These are from Sainsbury's, size 8, and they were 99p. Some trousers with that sort of effect to it. Yeah, 99p, bargain. Bargains. Dorothy Perkins in a medium. This was £3. It's one of these little gilet things. Soft and fluffy. Let's put you on. You'll go alright with this blouse, wouldn't you? Maybe a bit of a clash. Maybe it's a little too much beige going on. Those are definitely coming off because that is irritating. Look, they don't go in. Cutting those off. This doesn't have pockets either. I like that. Comfy and soft. Soft. Happened in my little goodie bag. This I picked up for Elliot. It was... don't know where it's from, but it's new because it's still got the original tag on it. If you can hear a strange noise, my son's playing Minecraft. 3 to 4 years. I got it for £1.25. And it originally came from Matalan. It's got a little hooded zip-up jacket shirt, which is really, really good. I'll put you there because I'm not going to try a new one. I am that small. And this was a bit of an unsure one for me, but I grabbed it anyway because I really liked the colour. Marks and Spencer's, it was £1.49, size 10. This olive green? Yeah. I liked it. Something about it. I'm going to try it. Okay, bits that aren't where I got a 90s Barbie for £1.99. I have a thing about 90s Barbies when Barbie was good, and I couldn't leave her behind, so yeah. I will never leave a 90s Barbie behind if she's in, you know, a reasonably good condition. So I bought her, and this was 10p. I'm going to seem really old right now, but I absolutely love this kind of book. I do. The sun keeps coming in and out. It's English villages, Timpsons, of places in England. Just look. I would sit quite happily and read all about this. Yeah, love it. Some really nice pictures in here. Some of them are quite eerie. Look at that one. Yeah, this will keep me happy as well. Just sit in bed reading this. And, yeah. I just really liked it. Oh, look at that. It's a bit creepy, isn't it? It looks a bit creepy. I always see creepiness in things. But yeah, I really liked that. And for 10p, it's going to be a good read. Right, let's get this off because they're not going. They're not going together. Get this little bad boy off, and I'm going to try the green on first, and then we'll go from there. I just love this. I really love this. What do you think? My little greenage. I could tuck this one in as well, maybe a little bit. I don't know. I just really, really like it. It's so comfortable. Be careful. I clipped my neck. It hurts. Chase, excuse me, please. Chasey. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's comfortable. And on to the next one because I'm about to. Otherwise, I'm gonna flash. Feeling all sexy, sexy, sexy. Obviously this bra is an absolute no-go with it because it's too low down. But I'm wearing the Boohoo. You know, I actually haven't done it all the way up because I'll reach. Oh, there we go. Can I go back further and you can see it? What do you think? I actually really like it. It's skin tight on the legs. Hold on. Hold on. Move you down. No, not gonna work. I'm just messing around now. Let me try. Let me try. Put that behind the camera. Is that gonna work? Here we go. I'm so professional, ain't I? Right. What do you think? Get rid of the bra. I think with some heels, that would look quite nice, wouldn't it? I like it actually. I'm surprised. I didn't think I was going to. But I do really like that. I think with some heels on, that's going to be really nice. Bit of jewellery for a night out. My £1.99 bargain. Yeah. Go ahead, girls. You go spend your £30 or whatever. £1.99. This little bad boy. Okay, moving on. I'm going to try the trousers, the grey top / dress, and then, yeah, I think that's everything. I think this grey one is a dress, but I don't feel comfortable with it being a dress because it's too short for my liking. But that's the, and it's got that funny little, I've got a very curved spine. This is weird, I know. But my spine is extremely, like, it's so curved that everything hangs here because of it. I get that weird, yeah. So no, not as a dress, not as a dress, no. Just no, just no. I'm going to try it on with the trousers. But the top part of it, yeah, I'm happy with that. Some high-waisters or not, yeah. Happy with that for 99p bargain. There we go. There we go. We're going to go in for the trousers now. God knows if these are going to fit me. You're right down there, Chase. Chase is just curling up in everything that I've put on the floor. Hope you didn't flush me, my little lady garden. Oh my god. Right. Oh, these are really comfortable. God, soft. Sainsbury's. I've never bought from you before. It's giving me ideas. Is it puff pockets are good? I like these. Can you see these? I'm liking them. They fit really nice. I need better light. Not really. Not really. Really. See, I'm a nightmare in the changing room. But these are nice. These are comfy. Hopefully they're all right on the arse. You know, it's like you have to make sure that your bum looks alright. Can't see. It's too dark. But yeah, I won't wear this top with it because I don't know. It's not going. It's just not. I'm not feeling that. But the trousers themselves, I like. So that's all good. Everything I liked. Even the bodysuit, I didn't think I would. God knows where I'm going to wear it because I don't go out. I don't go out. I have no nightlife. My nightlife is to be sitting on the sofa with a hot drink and watching something on telly. Usually if it's got a fit man in it, like Richard Madden or Maiden, how you pronounce it in Sebastian Stan. Yes, that's my night. Yeah. I'll have a bit of Richard here. Seb there. Yeah. Alright. You can so tell I'm feeling better. My God. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy with all this. I think I'm going to get changed, actually. I'm going to get changed. Right, so that was everything. I'm pleased. I will sort out my lighting because my lighting is bad. Well done, Elliot. Yeah. I will sort it all out, the lighting wise, but I'm happy with everything. Absolute bargains. Do you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah. Sorry if I'm not that normal. I'm not normal. But I will see you all again in my next one. And thank you everyone who's commenting and messaging. I'm trying to get my way through them as much as I can. It's really difficult because all of a sudden it's just gone. But I do reply to all of you. Just sometimes takes a little bit longer. And also people have been asking about my Asda monthly shop. It is going to happen. What's happened is Nick did a food shop. I didn't know. So then I did. You know what it's like. You know when you're the main one who does everything in the house, like the cleaning, the sorting. You just run the home. And then they kind of do something in there and it never goes quite right. And you're like, that's kind of what I was like. I was like, did you order bread? And he went, no. Bread? Bread. Yeah. So I was like, well, I'll do a shop. But because he had already got a shop, I didn't want to then go and buy a whole month's worth when he had already... It was all confusing, so it hasn't happened. It will happen, and I'm going to share with you a month shop because I want to do it. What's that about? It's like swashbuckle, yeah. Okay. See you all in the next one. Bye.